go ahead and start by removing this plastic trim panel right here. Ours is broken, so it's just going to pop right off for us. Now over here, we have 3 plastic buttons. We want to go ahead and remove this one here. There's one up top, and then there's one right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove these 3. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and pull down the trunk liner here. I want to get access to this nut right here, and we're going to go ahead and remove that. You can spin off the top nut, and now go ahead and pull that washer off. And there's a rubber boot here. You can use a screwdriver or your pry tool, and you want to go ahead and pop that out. We're now going to go ahead and remove this lower bolt from the shock unit. I'm going to go ahead and remove the lower shock bolt. And we'll go ahead and pull the shock out of the unit here, and got to remove that from the vehicle. Alright, so we're going to start by compressing the shock a little bit. I want to go ahead and pull this band off. Okay, once that's on there like that, I want to go ahead and install the metal sleeve. Push the bushing down over the top. Now we can go ahead and install or push this stud through the body, and then we'll get the bottom bolt installed. Press the upper bushing up into the body, and we'll get the bottom of the shock lined up. I'm going to feed that through, and go ahead and get that nut started over there. I'm going to go ahead and torque the lower shock bolt to 43 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to go ahead and get that rubber boot up top. Get the washer on. Let's go ahead and get that nut started here. You basically want to snug this down until the rubber bushing expands inside the cup. And just snug that down a little bit more. And there you go. You're going to feel the nut bottom out on that metal sleeve that we installed. And you know that that is tightened down. We can now go ahead and put the liner back up and into place. We can now go ahead and install our buttons. Get the last one in, and go ahead and push your button in here. Once these 3 buttons are in, we can now go ahead and install the base trim